Okay, I patch the last patch and I prime the rest of the stuff that we did yesterday because, like I said, the thing sink in, so I had to put more stuff. Same thing upstairs, in the windowsill right there. And I had to put more bando and use different kind of fillers to build up the frames because you know how they were. So I fixed them. You can barely tell the joints. Oh, I forgot to prime that. I prime that tomorrow. It's too hot. I'm in the sun all day. Anyway, yeah. Oh, and I primed this whole thing from one corner to the other corner because it was orange. Okay. You remember that orange stuff that the power wash never get. Everything's ready to paint tomorrow. Just the other side. Oh, and I primed most of the stuff, the bottom of the columns, because they were like orange too. I did the same to the ones in the front of the house. Hand sand and prime. Clean them first because they were dirty. I need to do that. I primed that today too. I scrape it. This column too. It's just orange stuff everywhere. And then going to the other side. To the side of the house. I'm pretty sure I got all the holes and stuff. It's just some steel wood repairs that we have to do when you come back because all the tools is in the truck. I prime all this window, all the spots, from top to bottom, all the way from each side of the window because that was the worst part. It was orange like crazy. So I did that too. I dig this stuff like I showed you earlier. And I was out to put caulking, but the thing is moving like crazy, so we had to shoot some nails. So it's ready to put the wood back. I prime it. And then I went upstairs. Oh man, I'm so tired. The sun is killing me. There was no shade at all. In the morning a little bit, but and then over here, going to the top of this deck, this little patch right here. This was rotten, so I took the whole molding out and I primed it, so it's ready to put another piece on. Holy crap. Coming this way. Remember the window sills were disgusting, so I primed them. I'm gonna paint them tomorrow. Those 3 window sills I did primed because there's no way you can just get in with power wash. They're too dirty and orangey. And tomorrow I guess I just gonna be painting the stuff that I primed today. And just a little patches on how to. One patch I think is, but how to hand sand. That's it.